Hello class 10 students. Today we are going to study this topic of your given in your textbook, that is electric potential and potential difference. This topic you have to understand the analogy, considering the analogy of flow of water, because charges is the connected to the flow of current in the circuit. Charges do not flow in a वायर और एनी कंडक्टर बाय देमसेल्व्स, अपने आप वो फ्लो नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ सम फोर्स इट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग, एंड एज flow of water takes place in a tank, in a pipe. When your pipe is connected to a tank which is at the higher level पे कोई टैंक आपने रखा है, उसमें आपने पाइप कनेक्ट किया है, तो ही वो पाइप में हायर लेवल से लोअर लेवल की तरफ पानी फ्लो करता है. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू एंड्स ऑफ द ट्यूब. वाटर फ्लोज आउट फ्रॉम द अदर एंड ऑफ द ट्यूब बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर डिफरेंस. एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक पानी फ्लो करता है. Similarly, in a circuit, you have to have some difference of pressure between the points of conducting wire, so that charges will flow from one place to another. So similarly, it is in the electric circuit that difference of pressure is called potential difference, and this is the difference because of which charges will flow from in the wire. Potential difference develop when your circuit diagram, it is cell is connected. Cell will produce extra charges that will produce high potential of charges, and that high potential will force the charges in the wire to move from one place to another. This way it will go from high potential to low potential. This is the reason the electric current will produce due to flow of charges. So this is called potential difference. In definition, how will you define it? It is defined as potential difference as the work done to move a unit charge from one point to the other. According to this definition, वन यूनिट चार्ज, एक कूलम चार्ज को एक मूव करने के लिए एक पॉइंट से अनदर पॉइंट इन ए सर्किट जितना पोटेंशियल वर्क डन लगता है, वर्क डन इज द वर्क, इट विल रिक्वायर वर्क टू मूव फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर. दैट वर्क डन पर एक चार्ज को मूव करने के लिए जितना लगता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड potential difference. So potential difference formula is V is equal to W by Q. W is the work done, that is unit is joule, so it will, and charge unit is 1 coulomb, so you can see 1 volt equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Then in notes you can see the unit of potential difference is volt. It is also called voltage. This you can see chemical action within a cell generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell even when no current is drawn from it. When current in a conducting wire, if you are not connecting it to produce current, suppose you are not connected any bulb, then also it generates. If cell is connected, then there will be potential difference and there will be a current flowing in the circuit. Then definition of 1 volt is you have to study, that is the potential difference between 2 points in a current charging conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. This definition you learn by heart because it is very important. They will ask define 1 volt of 1 volt, and this voltage in the circuit can be measured with an instrument that is called voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel, that you should remember that ये सर्किट में पैरेलल ही कनेक्ट किया जाता है. that we will study further when how it will be connected. Then you solve example 12.2, and after that 3 in test questions are given that you solve. Draw the table in Further, a table is given in the circuit diagram. Earlier what circuit diagram we have made, their symbols we have used. Different symbols for different instruments they are using in the circuit diagram. Full name of circuit elements used in circuit we can't write in making the circuit diagram. So we should use symbols. That symbols how you are using, and you should learn that symbols, and without seeing you can try to make. So go through this table 12.1 and draw in the notebook also. Next, this is electric, this is about all electric potential. In next class we will study further. Okay, thank you.